Have you ever taken a moment to appreciate the simple yet invigorating scent of peppermint? It's more than just a flavor for your favorite gum or a refreshing tea. Peppermint is a powerhouse of health benefits that has been cherished for centuries. Today, I want to take you on a little journey into the world of peppermint, its incredible health benefits, and even how you can cultivate this aromatic herb right in your backyard. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into the refreshing world of peppermint. First off, let's talk about what makes peppermint so special. Peppermint, or Mentha piperita, is a hybrid plant, a cross between watermint and spearmint. This unique combination gives it that distinctive, cool, refreshing flavor and aroma that we all love. But beyond its delightful taste, peppermint is packed with essential oils, particularly menthol, which is responsible for that signature cooling sensation. This is where the magic begins. One of the most well-known benefits of peppermint is its ability to soothe digestive issues. Have you ever felt that uncomfortable bloating after a big meal? Well, peppermint can come to the rescue. It relaxes the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, helping to relieve gas and bloating. Many people find that sipping on peppermint tea after a meal can work wonders for their stomach. And if you're someone who struggles with irritable bowel syndrome, peppermint oil capsules can be a game changer. They can help reduce symptoms and improve your overall digestive health. Just imagine how nice it would be to enjoy your meals without that nagging discomfort. But that's not all. Peppermint is also a natural remedy for headaches. The next time you feel a headache creeping in, consider reaching for some peppermint oil. A few drops on your temples can provide instant relief. It's believed that the menthol in peppermint helps to dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow, which can alleviate tension headaches and migraines. It's a simple, natural solution that many people swear by. Plus, the refreshing scent can help clear your mind and boost your mood, making it a win-win. Speaking of mood, let's not overlook the mental clarity that peppermint can provide. Studies have shown that the aroma of peppermint can enhance cognitive performance and improve alertness. So, if you're feeling sluggish or unfocused, try inhaling some peppermint essential oil or even chewing on peppermint gum. It's a fantastic way to perk up your mind and get back on track. Whether you're studying for exams or just trying to power through a long workday, peppermint can be your secret weapon. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about how to cultivate peppermint. If you're inspired to grow your own, you're in for a treat. Peppermint is one of the easiest herbs to grow, making it perfect for beginners. It thrives in a variety of conditions and can be grown indoors or outdoors, in pots or directly in the ground. Just remember, peppermint can be quite invasive, so it's often best to plant it in a container to keep it from taking over your garden. When it comes to planting, choose a spot with partial shade and well-drained soil. Peppermint loves moisture, so make sure to keep the soil consistently damp but not waterlogged. You can start from seeds, but for quicker results, consider using cuttings or purchasing young plants from a nursery. In just a few weeks, you'll have a lush, green patch of peppermint ready for harvesting. As your peppermint grows, you'll notice the leaves becoming more fragrant. You can start harvesting the leaves once the plant is about 6 inches tall. Just pinch off the leaves at the stem. This encourages bushier growth. And trust me, the more you harvest, the more it will grow. You can use fresh leaves in teas, salads, or even as a garnish for desserts. The possibilities are endless. If you want to preserve your peppermint for later use, you can dry the leaves by hanging them upside down in a cool, dark place. Once dried, store them in an airtight container, and you'll have your very own stash of peppermint to enjoy all year round. Imagine the satisfaction of sipping on a cup of peppermint tea made from your own homegrown herbs. It's not just about the health benefits, it's about the joy of growing something yourself. Now, let's talk about some fun ways to incorporate peppermint into your daily routine. Besides tea, you can add fresh peppermint leaves to smoothies for a refreshing twist, or use them in your favorite desserts like brownies or ice cream. And let's not forget about the classic peppermint hot chocolate, perfect for cozy nights in. You can even infuse peppermint into oils or vinegar for a unique salad dressing. The versatility of this herb is truly remarkable. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try making your own peppermint essential oil? It's a fun DIY project that allows you to experience the benefits of peppermint in a whole new way. Just remember to use high-quality peppermint leaves and a carrier oil for the best results. In conclusion, peppermint is so much more than just a pleasant aroma or a flavor enhancer. It's a versatile herb that offers numerous health benefits, from aiding digestion to improving mental clarity. Plus, it's incredibly easy to grow, making it accessible for anyone looking to add a little freshness to their life. So, whether you're sipping on peppermint tea, using it to relieve headaches, or cultivating your own plants, I hope you feel inspired to embrace the wonders of peppermint. Let it invigorate your senses and enhance your well-being in the most delightful ways.